Hi everybody.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Today we're going to be making these adorable little boxes of chocolates for our American Girl dolls. Aren't they cute? And we're going to be making these from the box right down to the individual chocolates.
So let's get working on these sweet treats.
So the supplies that you're going to need to make this are these tags from Michael's. You can get them in different shapes. They're cute, just little
Gold
rimmed tags.
And you'll need stickers, whatever you want. These are cute little Valentine's, one that say super sweet and love you lots. They're 3D, they're like really puffy to put
Cute
on the top of the boxes of chocolates.
And to make the candies, you'll need a little mold. This actually, you could probably make it, I make it out of hot glue. You could probably freehand it, but this is a whole lot easier, folks. This is one of those little silicone molds. They're little heart shapes. You get 2 to a pack. I got them on Amazon, and we'll put the link of where to get these down in the description box.
And then, of course, to fill the mold, you will need hot glue. This is our trusty, faithful hot glue gun that Cece has had forever.
Yeah, it's a mess, but it works. And then you'll also need some brown paint and some white paint. If you want to do milk chocolate and white chocolate, you could just do milk chocolate if you want, whatever. But I did both. It kind of looks nice. And then to put on top of that, I have this can of Ultra Cover Clear Gloss Spray. Just like an acrylic spray to make it shiny. And then you'll also need a piece of cardboard. This is just a cereal box that I use.
And then you'll also want some sprinkles. These are hearts, pink hearts, and then all different colored hearts.
We're using hearts because these are for Valentine's Day, but you could do them for any holiday or for any occasion.
Yes, Easter would be fun too with some Easter eggs or
little
something.
duckies.
Yeah.
That'd be fun. So let's get crafting. Now, to start with the box, you're going to take, of course, each box takes 2 of these tags. You're going to trace them on this cardboard and cut them out, and then use some tacky glue or a glue stick or whatever and glue them to the back. And it just makes it sturdier, a sturdier top. It's not flimsy that way. So you'll have those 2 made. Now to make the rim for this, you're going to cut strips of this cardboard, 3/4 inch in height strips. And then you're just going to fold them however big you want them. Now, first do the bottom. That's the one you're going to want to do first, because the top one has to be a little bit bigger than this bottom one so that the top will go right on there. To make the top one, you're going to take another strip and you're going to kind of loosely fold it around the outside of the bottom one after you've glued that on there. Now I tried to glue it on with hot glue and it just was kind of messy. It didn't work very well. It worked a lot better with my tacky glue. So I used that, which is just a really nice sticky Elmer's glue. It takes a longer time to dry, but it still worked a whole lot better that way. And I could fill in any little spots that were kind of empty there too. So you're going to glue that on there, and then you're going to take that other strip and you're going to fold it around this bottom edge so it's a little bit loose around it. And then you're going to glue that with your tacky glue to the top of the box. And that's how you make your box. It's really simple to do. Then you're going to use your sticker and put it on top to decorate it. So cute. Now let's get making the chocolates.
Now to make the chocolates, what you want to do is take your hot glue gun, your weapon of choice, and your mold, and you just want to fill hot glue in the mold to the very top. So you want to fill up every little space available. after you've made as many chocolates as you want, just let them cool completely before you pop them out of the mold.
Okay, so we just pop this in the freezer for just a couple minutes. It doesn't take long, and it just pops right out of there. And this is what it looks like. A hot glue heart. And now you just paint them whatever color you want and decorate them. So about 12 of those will fit in one of the boxes.
So look how cute it is up close. The white and the milk chocolate. We did every other one. And then they have a cute little heart on them.
Now also what I did was I took some pink, you can use any color you want, of tissue paper and put it down in there just to make for a nice look in there. And then I glued, because I know my granddaughters and they're gonna lose these chocolates. So I glued, there's 12 in here. So I glued all but 2. I left 2 unglued so that the dolls can have a chocolate and hold a chocolate if they'd like to. And that way, if they lose those, at least they'll still have some glued into the box. So if your American Girl dolls have a sweet tooth, you're definitely going to want to make one of these little boxes of chocolates. I hope they don't try to eat these themselves. Chances are they might. Yuck.
So these just turned out so adorable. Cece is so creative and has so many cute, fun ideas for the dolls and just in general, lots of crafts. So we love how these turned out. We hope that you'll give it a try. If you do try and make these and recreate them, we'd love to see what yours turn out like. And we have our links for Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest down in the description box below, so you can find us on there and tag us on your recreations of your chocolates that you made for your American Girl dolls. So thanks for watching our video. Happy Valentine's Day. We're so blessed and thankful to have the love of each other this Valentine's Day. Our mother and daughter love relationship.
That's right. She's my sweetheart.
We hope that you're having a fabulous Valentine's Day yourself.
Remember, you are a priceless beauty, and we love you, and so does Jesus Christ. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Happy Valentine's Day.